Hi, this is Travis from 10 Farms, and today what I'm going to do is show you how to clean out a dryer vent. This is important to do so you don't have a dryer fire. A lot of times people just forget to do this, and right now seems like a really good time of year. A lot of times I do it in the spring, kind of forget every once in a while. I forgot this past spring to do it. So now that the cold has pretty much killed off all the plants here under the dryer vent, I'm going to use my brush here and go down through there and get everything cleaned out, so that way we have nice clean airflow. It'll also make your dryer more efficient too, beyond the concerns of the lint catching on fire. I mean, you'd have to have it blocked up pretty good to have a fire in there. So I'm going to show you what we've got. This is a pretty cool vent. This top just pops off here, and then this piece here just floats up when the dryer's on. So it floats up, hits the lid, and that's what lets the air come out of there. But the way this is set up, then you're not getting any cold air in the winter. You're not getting mice in there or anything, because it sits completely closed, and then the air pressure just floats this up against the lid, and then everything comes out the bottom here. If you can see, I don't know if I can get down far enough to show, but yeah, all the air is coming out underneath then and pushing down, so that keeps everything out of there. No birds, no mice, no chipmunks. So it's a pretty cool setup. So you just take your brush here, run it down through there, and I've got it open on the other side in the house with a trash can underneath it, so then all the lint's just going to get pushed down into the trash can. And then once you get that done, go in the house, and there's a smaller lint brush that you can use for the inside of the dryer itself, right where your lint trap is in the dryer, where you take it out and clean it. You can put the brush down in there, and there's a shop vac attachment too to suck out what you scrub out with the brush. So it does a pretty good job of getting it all clean. I'm going to run this down through here, and after I get done with that, I'll show you inside the lint brush and the lint trap, and also the setup I've got that lets your heat and moist air back into the house in the wintertime. So right now we're really not pushing the air outside, we're pushing it back into the house. It helps recycle and keep things warm and keep the house more humid in the wintertime when the heat's drying it out. So let me do this, and then I'll take you in the house and show you that part. Here's the inside portion of the vent where it drops down after I went through the wall. Sometimes it's a little hard to turn the corner, so I'm going to come and hit it from the inside now and get this cleaned out. And then you've got the bottom portion here. There's my trash can, and I'm trying to catch everything as much as I can. Then you've got this thing here, which this brush goes right down there in your vent, and you just push it down in there, scrub it around, break things loose. And then this other piece here, you can attach it to your vacuum. Move that a little further away there. And then it sucks that lint right out of there. So that way you get as much out of the dryer as you can too. But yeah, gets it all cleaned out. And this here is something I really like. So this thing right here has its own screen in it, and then it has a door here. And you can open and close this door to change the airflow. So that way in the wintertime, when you want the heat in the house and you want the humidity, you close off the outside, and then the dryer vent just blows right back into the house. With this screen here, which you can take out and clean, catches the lint, so you're not filling your basement full of lint. So it's a nice setup. And then in the summer, when you don't want the heat and humidity in the house, just flip the door shut, and the air blows right back outside. So really cool setup. I like it. Saves a little bit of energy, makes the house a little more humid in the wintertime. So pretty cool. I'm going to finish this up and get it all back together. Thanks for watching.